sure love to eat that cake anime.
What crazy? I cook all the time.
You know damn well you don't cook all the time. You ain't cooked in 2 years, Candace.
I made popcorn for you last night. Like,
I get popcorn for the damn movie theater. Now nobody want to hear that bullshit.
ate the popcorn.
Whatever. I know what you're trying to do. Your ass trying to get married.
Boy, ain't nobody trying to marry you.
Let's get married.
Oh my goodness.
I can't wait to get some of this good shit, man. That shit looks good.
I got some broccoli casserole, some baked chicken, and some honey buttery rolls.
We finna eat that. Ooh, that's what I'm telling you about. You ain't cooked like this in
I
years.
can't wait till they taste it at work.
Oh, you gonna say so that shit to work too?
Nah, this for work. This for we got product day.
What the hell you mean you got part of that? What the hell I'm gonna eat?
This ain't bring your nigga to work day, okay?
Oh, okay, cool. That's fine. Well, when you want that purse, I'm gonna say it ain't bring your girl a purse day. How about that? Okay, cool. So,
I mean,
you wanna keep acting like that? No. Keep cook your food. It
No.
look good. It smell good. But I'm gonna go and do
No,
my
we gonna
thing.
have leftovers.